Instructors spend hours configuring environments to test student code. Students waste time on setup instead of learning. What if there was a platform that handled everything from code writing to deployment and server management in one seamless system? Introducing JerboLab, a self-hosted educational platform that makes it easy to write, test, deploy, and submit code while providing complete control over the underlying infrastructure. Deploy projects instantly. No configuration required. With just one click, JerboLab assigns a domain and handles everything from containerization to service orchestration. Instructors grade with one click. Students write and submit code effortlessly from one place. Admins oversee users, permissions, and infrastructure. JerboLab also features a powerful plugin system. Install official or third-party plugins to run any type of service, from development tools to game servers and more. The possibilities of plugins are endless. Go beyond deployment. JerboLab gives you real-world control. Manage services, configure firewalls, and monitor resources through a single, intuitive interface. With over 35,000 lines of clean back-end code, JerboLab is powered by modern technologies like Go, Docker, PostgreSQL, and Traefik, delivering a professional-grade system that mirrors real-world infrastructure. JerboLab isn't just built for classrooms and organizations. It's fully self-hostable, making it perfect for home labs, personal projects, and even running your own game servers. Whether you're an instructor managing a class, a student learning to deploy real applications, or a tech enthusiast hosting services at home, JerboLab gives you full control over how you teach, learn, and build. Ready to see it in action? Contact our team, scan the QR code to visit our website and get started with JerboLab.